Now at 11, California's health secretary warning that we could see some new statewide restrictions.
I think it's inevitable that we're seeing more cases. I wouldn't have expected to see this many cases.
So what can we do, and how long until we could see a decline? We'll get some answers from a top epidemiologist.
What's next for the NFL tonight after coronavirus concerns forced the league to scrap the preseason? Plus, a milestone in California tonight, and it's not one we ever wanted to hit. Now at 11 and streaming on CBSN Bay Area. Good evening, I'm Elizabeth Cook.
And I'm Ken Bastida. Remember how bad coronavirus was in New York? Well, right now California is closing in, actually surpassing 400,000 cases. KPIX 5's Betty Yu is live at a testing site where wait times have skyrocketed. Betty?
Ken, and they have done so particularly in the last 2 weeks. Today, the state's health secretary said that unfortunately many people are treating California's reopening as a green light to just resume life as normal.
The wait time for an appointment at the Embarcadero testing site has stretched further to at least 2 weeks as the number of cases grows beyond 5,300 in San Francisco. Meanwhile, California's positivity and hospitalization rates are also trending upward over the last 2 weeks.
If the data trends turn to such a place where we aren't confident we will get there, there will be potential for further dimming in parts of the state, certainly those counties that we're monitoring closely.
The 7-day average for the number of new cases is more than 9,100 per day. The 7-day average from the week prior was about 8,300.
I think it's inevitable that we're seeing more cases. I wouldn't have expected to see this many cases, but there is a feeling of inevitability to it. You know, the solution is really simple. Which is to wear masks when you go out.
UCSF epidemiologist Dr. George Rutherford says wearing a simple cloth mask cuts down the risk of transmission by 96%.
In Southern California, which opened up earlier than the Bay Area, I think they opened up too early and got out of control. Here in a handful of counties, some of the counties, it got out of control. But remember, we have had some nursing home outbreaks. We've had a massive outbreak in San Quentin.
And today, the health secretary said that it could be more than 4 weeks before we see the real impact of the recent rollback on reopening and cases start to decline. Live in San Francisco, Betty Yu, KPIX 5.